and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add select different colors for each letter of the text you want to add on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your text. I'm just going to type in the word colorful. This is a tedious process, so I'm just going to tell you that right now. You're just going to basically select one letter by one letter to color it. So select it like this, and then select the color you want to add, and then you're just going to do that to all of the text basically. But yeah, you do have to unfortunately do this one by one. Let me choose a yellow color to match the background, and then I'm just going to select the purple one again, then the pink one, and then the blue, and then the yellow one again. Wait, I chose this, not... Okay, let me select this one actually. And that's it, basically. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.